Hey guys, Rado here. It's 7 a.m., beautiful morning, and today we are going to do a really fun video. We're gonna take this KX112, that's my son's dirt bike, and we're gonna do a surprise build for him. He has no clue what's going on. So we're gonna take the bike and go to Dirt Bike TV Garage, to Jay Clark's place, and build the bike. So at the end of this video, we are going to see one happy boy. So stick around. I want to make it a little more excited for him. Got his favorite number, you know, have the custom graphics from Decol MX, we'll have new seat and all that. But also the second reason is that this KX112, it's probably the best off-road bike you can get for your kid if your kid is in the similar age, like 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe even 14, depends how big your child is. And dude, even for some small adults, maybe for some women or small guys, I think this KX112, it's going to be an amazing off-road bike. It has a good bottom power, it's a two-stroke, light bike, it runs really good from the bottom. So we are going to build it into moto/a trail bike. We're gonna put a big tank on that thing. We're gonna put a bigger foot pack, so it's a little more stability on it. Then we're gonna do you know, the hand guards, and just make the bike a little bit more off-road ready. Here, many bikes, a lot of people here. So as you see, there are some yellow bikes, orange bikes, red bikes, another yellow bike, a lot of new graphics from Decol MX going on the bikes right here, and then there is a little green bike right there. So let's get busy. This is what we're gonna do today. This is a IMS big tank. It's bigger than Stack, but it's still not super big that it's sticking like everywhere. You can cover it with your shrouds all the way up till here. I think it will look good once installed. Then we get this IMS foot pegs, much wider than Stack. UFO handguards in white color. TM Design Work is making these plastic super durable skid plates for KX112. Not a lot of companies is doing skid plates for 112, so happy to find that one. This is the main thing right here with 99 from Decol MX. Set of graphics. Dude, he will be so stoked. Check this pipe out. FMF factory pipe. It looks beautiful, man. I wish I have pipe like this on my bike. It's so cool. And we're also trying to get the silencer for it. We got a CV4 new silicone hoses, and then some plastics from UFO because we go down sometimes, so our front fender doesn't look as good as before. So we have new fender, new fork guards, and also we are going to go with a new Pro X rear sprocket, and of course new Dunlop tires and all that. So the bike is going to be just amazing once we are done. Check out the difference in the size here. This is a Stack black tank, and this one right here, IMS, it is way bigger, but as I said, it's going to be covered with the shrouds, majority of the tank. So in some places the tank will stick out a little bit, but it's not super bulky, it's not like too big and ugly on the top. So I'm really digging this design. These IMS foot pegs, how much bigger they are compared to the stack. So definitely feeling more planet on the bike. So Timmy can go a little bit faster, hopefully. At this point, we're ready for new graphics. We removed old stickers, took some contact cleaner and cleaned our plastics. Front fork is with Smith Performance. He's going through everything, make sure everything is all right and changing the oil. Seat is at Moto Seat. Travis is doing a custom seat cover for us. And as you can see, Jay is taking care of our tires and the rear sprocket. We are going with the Dunlop MX33 tires and Pro X sprocket for the rear wheel. You guys, if you do a project like this and you need parts for your dirt bike, you know that you can find majority of these products in your local dealer store. You don't need to buy it online. You can just go to your local store and pick it up. And if you want to know what they have in stock, you can jump on PureMoto.com. You can search inventory of your local store online and then drive down to the store and just pick it up. Hey, where's Jay? I'll call him. These are nice bikes, huh?
What did that relate to?
Are you sure it's on camera?
What's that? What's that?
Isn't that my bike?
Huh?
It's my bike.
Is it?
Yes.
Go check it out.
Oh,
What do you think, huh?
that's good.
Huh?
Oh, I want to rip on it.
Yeah, go in playground. What do you think, huh?
I want to ride it right now.
You wanna ride it right now?
Yeah.
Dude, check it out how amazing it looks.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Can you believe it? What do you think?
It's good. I want to ride it now. Can I?
Right now? I don't know. Let's wait for Jay.
That's so good. Looks so much better than before.
It's amazing, huh?
Whoa.
How do you like the colors?
I like them.
And you have the hand guards. They come from this side. You got new pipe, FMF, look at the pipe. New silencer. You got new wheels, new tires, chain, foot pegs. Look at the foot pegs. Step on it. It's much wider than before. Go. Jump on the bike.
It's kind of wobbly.
Yeah, I'll hold it for you. You feel they are bigger? Mm-hmm. Look at the seat. The Moto Seat did a seat for you. Custom. Green, black, white. Dude, that thing looks amazing, huh? So
I wanna rip on it.
right now?
Yeah, right now.
I don't know. This weekend we're gonna go ride, huh?
Yeah, I wanna ride this.
Okay.
Are we gonna go to Korea?
Let's see what we'll do. I don't know.
Whoa.
It's the first real dirt bike built, Timmy. What do you think about it, huh?
I like it.
Can you get used to it?
Yeah.
I need to ride a lot, man.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I have it on video, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come down. Let's check more details. Did you notice you got a big tank?
Mm-hmm.
It's a white color and it's much bigger than stock. So we can go for the trail ride. Look, you have a skid plate, the Design Works skid plate. Yeah, man, that thing looks so nice. You got brand new fender, brand new those four guards, all that.
I hardly recognize my own bike.
You didn't even know it's your bike, huh? Hey! What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? He wants to ride it right now. I said, no, we first need to take pictures.
Oh yes, you do. You have to go take pictures.
Yeah, man, it's amazing. Dude, it came out really great.
It's a cool bike.
Yeah.
So let's get in here. We can see we added some hoses, TM skid plate, some fresh MX-33 tires. Schmidt just changed out the oil, just freshened it up for us. UFO handguards. We already had our bars, our ODI bars and Works Connection perch on there. Decal Works graphics, of course. IMS large tank. And we got the Moto seat cover to match the graphics. IMS foot pegs, a lot larger footprint there. And then Pro X chain and sprockets, so we're all fresh there. And we got our Sparky spark arrestor, so we are off-road legal in those places. Pretty cool looking bike. All right, what do you think?
Timmy, what do you think?
Time to go moto?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Looks amazing, man. Huh? Timmy, a bike like that? You're living my dreams, dude.
Yeah, me and Rado, we've never had a good bike or let alone a project bike when we were kids, so this is kind of fun.